Hi and welcome in this video from Teach Me How to Trade Forex and Binary Option. My name is Damien Levy. So here is a short video about the profile. So every week in the free channel Teach Me How to Trade Free BO Forex Signals, I publish a profile. This profile is here. You download it, you click on it, and after you go show in folder. So here is this one. You right click, copy, and then you go in your MetaTrader 4, you go into File, Open Data Folder, and then you arrive here. Here you go into Profile, and you paste the profile right here. So this is this one. Every week you need to delete the previous profile, those ones, so you select it. There is 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So before you install anything, you suppress this one, and then you right click here, and I recommend you to use WinZip, and you click on unzip to here. You don't unzip to a folder. It should be 6 different folder name: odd, euro, CAD, CHF, etc., New Zealand, and CHF, like what you will see exactly appearing on my screen. Odd, CAD, CHF, euro, GBP, New Zealand, and USD. Those are the 6 profiles that I give you for free in this channel every week. So once it's like that, you just restart your MetaTrader 4, and you go here into profile, and you have the 6 profile available for you. So if I take, for example, I am on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, you have a lot of lines, and all those lines should be taken as a reversal on this specific profile. So if you take the level for binary option, you will go on the 4-hour chart, and you will take touch of the level plus 1 candle of 4 hour, and it can be a trend line or an horizontal line. You don't take the moving averages. They are here for indication for Forex mostly. So that's it for the profile, very simple, and you have 6 profile available, and on each profile, as you can see, there is 6 currencies, sometimes 8, and there is 6, so it's around 30 to 40 different currency pairs, all analyzed every week. And for the Forex side, you need to wait a M or a W formation, so you switch on the 15-minute chart, and you wait a M or a W formation to take those specific level, as shown in my video explaining the M and W. So that's it for this quick video. We are already at the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and join us on Facebook. The links are below the video. Comment if you want me to do a video on a specific topic about trading. And if you need a quality broker, I recommend IC Market, and my link is below if you need. I have tested a lot of brokers in the past for Forex, and IC Market is a true ECN broker regulated in Australia, and the one that I personally use, and the best we have found so far, with very good condition to trade. I publish video every week, so subscribe to my channel to be updated. I wish you all the best. Bye!